Everyone loves the beach, and I really enjoyed painting this painting. A beautiful sailboat on the beach, it's fantastic. I was actually born near the ocean, and I try to get back to the ocean as often as I can. Beach days and sailboats, they're just wonderful memories. I've been blessed with a good number of days on the beach. The sound of the surf, the salty smell in the air, the wonderful breezes, the seagulls overhead, the sounds of people's voices carrying across the waves and across the beach. Such a wonderful thing. And then there are those crabs that come walking around. They're kind of crazy looking. Such a wonderful thing. What a beautiful thing, a sailboat. Beach days and sailboats, they're just wonderful memories.